Hi! So ito na nga, I actually own a lot of these plain cotton t-shirts. Let me say that again. They have to be plain, as in walang keek-ekan, walang design, walang drama, just plain cotton t-shirts. I like them because they're very comfortable to wear. You can wear them every day and you look neat. Very malinis tingnan. And I have a lot of colors ng mga cotton t-shirts na plain. I have them in dark brown. Ito. Another, and another. And I think by now you already have an idea of where I buy these kinds of shirts. Katulad nitong bago kong bili na dark brown, I bought it for 590. Pero para sa ating mga wais na misis, meron akong nahanap na source ng similar na cotton t-shirts and plain in design, pero mas mura. So eto na nga, I bought a lot, no? I wanna compare the quality of the ones that I bought sa branded versus etong nabili ko online. So this is the dark brown I bought sa mall, while this is the one that I bought online. It's coffee. This dark brown I bought for 590, and this one naman I bought for 200 plus. And they both claim to be 100% cotton. Etong bili natin sa mall, ganyan yung tahi niya sa kwelyo. Makapal, double lining din, so matibay. Eto namang bili natin online, ganyan po yung tahi niya. Same lang din po, double lining, makapal, matibay. Kung i-compare natin yung bigat niya, etong bili natin sa mall, mas mabigat to compare dito sa bili online. However, yung quality, no, eto minsan naiinitan ako Pero ito mas presko, mas magaan yung dating niya. Mas magaan siya sa balat. Makapal pa rin yung tela pero hindi mabigat. At dahil 200 plus lang siya, hindi na nakakahinayang na bumili ng marami. Kaya I bought a lot. I'm 5'7" and 67 kilograms. Ito po yung sukat ng large na binili ko. Ito po yung coffee. Ito naman yung black na large. Green. Red. And ito po yung pink. Large po lahat ng mga binili ko because sa aking height na 5'7" at timbang na 67 kilograms, yung large po yung pinakakasya at maganda yung fit sa akin. So this is a really good buy, especially for me na mahilig sa mga 100% cotton na plain t-shirts na pang araw-araw. Pwedeng panglakad, pwedeng pambahay, but very comfortable, mahangin, magaan, at swak sa budget. So check nyo na lang sa comments kung saan ko nabili if you're also interested. Diba nakakapogi talaga pag malinis tingnan, kaya buy na din po kayo. Hi! So ito na nga, I actually own a lot of these plain cotton t-shirts. Let me say that again. They have to be plain, as in walang keek-ekan, walang design, walang drama, just plain cotton t-shirts. I like them because they're very comfortable to wear. You can wear them every day and you look neat. Very malinis tingnan. And I have a lot of colors ng mga cotton t-shirts na plain.